Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can play Ludo game in Messenger. So the first step you need to do is to open Facebook Messenger and open any conversation and click on this plus icon in the left bottom, and here you can see imagine location play game. So click on that play game, but here you can see there is no Ludo game, so you simply need to open any game. So I'm going to open 8 ball poll. So once it start, so okay, and here you can see three dots, three bars. Click on that, and now you need to turn off this game. So okay, click on that option on the top right, and here you can see in your games you will find Ludo. So click on that, and after that the Ludo game will be open. So this is a process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.